So hey everyone, we're back with another hair tip video. So it's getting hot, real hot soon, and you may or may not have a thick head of hair like I do. Some of you thicker, some of you not as thick. But anyways, so as of right now, the barbershops are still closed for most of the areas. So I'm gonna try to show you guys how I thin my hair at home. We're gonna use a regular thinning shear and a regular shear, just normal shear, you know, the ones that you just give yourself a full haircut. The thinning shear has, as you can see, the little ridges or teeth, the gaps. It may look a little intimidating at first, but it's not that bad. It doesn't, for example, if you take a full snip of hair like this with your regular scissors, it's gonna cut hair off, obviously. With this, it's gonna cut some off, but the length will still be there for just for thinning. And yeah, so I'm gonna grab a comb. In this case, my huge wide gap tooth comb, and I'm gonna show you guys right here. You don't want to go too low, otherwise it's gonna get some hairs to stick up, and if your hairs stick up on the bottom, they're gonna obviously push the top hairs, so it's gonna look even poofier. So here we go. Grab your comb, maybe around the middle. Take a snippet, another one, and why not one more on the same area. As you can see, my hair is not shorter length, but I don't know if you can see on camera. I'll show you that after, towards the end of the video, but my hair is sprinkling out here. Again, get the comb. Towards the middle or upper, not too low. And see, as you can see, it does take some hair out. And let me get this side. You don't need a comb. You can also just use your fingers. And that's that with the regular thinning shears. Now this part with the regular shear, the scissors to cut your hair off. This one is probably gonna take a little guts, so if you mess this up, don't get mad at me, alright? I'm just here to show you what I learned. So this one, we're gonna lift the hair with the bottom part, and we're just gonna take slight, also towards the middle, not in the bottom, just slight little snippets. Here we go, watch this. Glide your hair, glide it through. Don't fully close, just a partial close, and also we'll take away some of that bulk in the hair. Again. No full snippets, otherwise you'll end up cutting off the whole chunk of hair. Again. You can either pull out, or you can just, if you got a quality shear, which I don't, this is the basic one that comes with the clippers, just quarter snippets, half snippets. And in the front, as you can see, my length is still there. So make it easier to put some product in your hair if you have thicker product. Sometimes it's a pain to put on, but yeah, just keep practicing, you'll get it right, and I will show you the finished results after. One other tip is to get a feel throughout your hair, see which part feels lighter and what part feels thicker, where there's more bulk. There's more bulk, for example, right here feels pretty thicker compared to somewhere like right here. Just go again lightly through. This, just not even full close snippets, just around this much. Oops, missed that. Just to get everything as even as possible. There's the hair. Seems like a lot, but it's really not. Yeah, I got all over my sink, I gotta clean up. So yeah. Alright, so out of the shower, doing a little combing and brushing. Obviously feels a little thinner. Obviously I'm not a professional hairstylist or barber, but these are just my tips that I found that work for me. I'm trying to relay them to you, hopefully they'll work for you. The real test here is try on some of this thick oil-based pomade, Murray's pomade, and just gonna apply something. Usually this is a pain, literal pain to apply because how thick this thing is, and pulls hair and whatnot. And I'm sure it's still gonna do it, but since I thinned it out, hopefully it'll be a little less. A little bit less of a hassle to apply through, and so far, you know what? So far so good. It does feel, never done so far with this pomade after thinning out hair. I'm sure you guys don't care about this, you guys care about the thinning part, but yeah. Just give it a quick shape. I don't do pompadours, it's not my style. But anyways, dude, that was way easier than normal to apply. Holy crap. So yeah. I think it looks alright. Thank you guys for tuning in. If you guys enjoyed it, hopefully you guys can try these little methods out yourselves, and good luck. And I'll see you guys in the next one.